Welcome to our YouTube family on Money Academy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an exciting video. Let's make this journey together. I love you.
Let me tell you about the affiliate marketing part. For that, you need to join the Amazon affiliate program. Google Amazon Associates and sign up for their affiliate program. Search for the specific book that your quotes are related to from Amazon. And when you find that book, Amazon Affiliate will give you a specific link. You can add the link to your video description. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you will make a commission from that sale. Make 5 shorts from a single book, and you can easily make 100 or 1,000 using this technique. First step, we need to get phrases from that specific book. I'm going to use Google Bard for that. Let's head over to Google Bard. This is very similar to ChatGPT, but more effective than it. I'm going to use the book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Let's type, give me 10 best quotes from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. As you can see here, now we have 10 phrases. Second step, make voiceovers to our videos using these quotes. For that, I'm going to use 11 Labs. It's a text-to-speech AI. Let's go to 11 Labs. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. In the settings, you can select a suitable voice for our videos and then copy each phrase that we generated. And then click this Generate button, it will generate the voiceovers. Do this for all quotes and download them. After that, we're going to generate the videos. Let's go to Canva. A template must be created here. In the search bar, type YouTube Short and select blank template here. Now we need to find a background video for this. I'll utilize pexels.com for that. This video website is free of copyright. Enter Dark Forest in the search field. Select vertical orientation after clicking on the filters. This is the video I've decided to use as our background. We're going to download it next. Upload the video on Canva now. Go to the upload in the side menu and select the location of your video. Then click on that video and adjust its size according to template. Now add a text layer. Epic life-changing advice from. I'm going to adjust the text like this, and let's place this text on the top. In the top menu, there is option called Effects. With this, you can change the text effects. Select a suitable text effect from here. Make sure the text is visible. Using eye-catching colors will help you to get more views. Then you can edit its size to match the template size. Now we need to find a PNG image of the book we're going to use. Go to Google and search Rich Dad, Poor Dad, PNG, download a PNG and upload it to Canva. Now I will add another text layer to mention the name of the book. Edit it like we did before with suitable fonts and colors. Let's add the book image that we downloaded under the book name. Now I need to edit this template, these 2 text layers, and the picture should show up in the first 3 or 4 seconds of our video. I have to adjust the timing for that. When you do a right-click on the text layer, choose Show Timing. On the timeline, a purple color layer will now show up. You can change the text layer's time by using this layer. I'm going to set it to first 3 seconds. Apply this to additional picture and text layer. Achieve the same timing for those. I'm going to add one more text layer now. Here's where our quotations will show up. I will edit this layer with suitable colors, effects, and fonts like we did before. After the first 3 seconds, this text layer will show up. I will adjust its timing as well, just like we did previously. Okay, now let's create all 5 videos at once. For that, go to Apps and select Bulk Editing and select Enter Data Manually and copy the quotes that we generated using Bard to this table. And now we need to connect this to the text layer. Right-click on the text layer and click Connect Data. From here, select the Quotes column. Now all quotes are connected. Go ahead and press Generate. As you can see, it will automatically generate all 5 videos. You can also increase the timings of top 2 layers of text to 8 or 9 seconds. Then we need to add background music. For that, I will use Pixabay copyright-free music. You can select suitable background music from here and then upload it to Canva. You must add that music to all 5 clips. The next step is adding the voiceovers to these clips. Select the suitable voiceover that you created from 11 Labs and add it to a suitable clip. Make sure to add the voiceover after the first 3 seconds because our motivational phrase will appear only after the first 3 seconds. If you want, you can add a new text layer saying, "Get this book, link is in the description." This will help to get some sales through affiliate marketing. With that, we are done with the creating video. You can go to share and download these videos. Make sure to tick this box. It will download all videos as separate files.